Hi, and my name is Philip, and you're gonna come explore with me today. We're at the Clement, and it's an old church. There's the church, and there's the old school. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go up, all the way up to the steeple up there. We're gonna check that out. So let's drop this camera on my head. And let's go exploring. I know there's going to be some pigeon stuff there, so I'm going to put these gloves on. So we're in the church and we're going up to this balcony here. So you can see we're already, these ceilings are 32 feet tall. I think we're about 15 feet. And we went up those initial steps up the front porch, so we're already a good ways up. And this is the bell tower. I mean, this is the access to the bell tower. And so unlock, and here are the ropes to ring the bells. I'm not going to ring the bells now because, well, neighbors get nervous. Okay, so up this ladder. All right. And up here is where we had the pigeons get in. And that's why I got gloves. I kicked the pigeons out, but still a lot of pigeon poo. So that's, this is the second ladder here we're doing. Now, you see that hole there? We're 32 feet above the church floor right there, because that's the church ceiling right there. If you crawl all the way, you know, you get in there, you can almost stand up, and it goes all the way to the front of the church. So looks like a deceased pigeon there. Yeah, and this one of the windows, yeah, they're flying in through there, making a mess of the place. They were the worst tenants. So this goes up to the bells. I got this bag with some extra lights in it, because up in the steeple there's no windows. All right. Oh wait, oh, it looks like there was power. Somebody cut the power. I guess power ran to these speakers. We got some big bells here. These bells, there's 3 of them, and they're meant to work together. I can't imagine how heavy these bells are. That said, we got one more level to do here, and so we're above the bells. I had to take a little pause because the local fire engine company did a test, and that audio was very loud. So here's the top view of that big bell. So we're up at the steeple here, and there it is. You can see goes, I'd say, about 20 feet up there. And there is this platform here. Go up. Yeah, I got some more lights here. It's just kind of weird standing here on this little platform and staring up. It's a little nerve-wracking because you can see I'm stepping on these boards here. I'll see if I can. I don't know how the light is going to go in this. See that? So it's about 20 feet, maybe 25 feet above me. You can see the pinnacle there. I don't see any signatures. I see some tar. It looks like someone patched some tar there. There's slate on the other side of this. There's some brick there. Looks like a boarded up circle. Another boarded up, there's circles. All these circles are on here that are boarded up. At least that keeps the pigeons out here. Bats in the belfry. All right, so here you have it. Thank you. And let's get out of here. Let's get our lights. Okay, back up carefully. Oh, what's that? We've been trying to reach you concerning your vehicle's extended warranty.